friend! Nandito ko ngayon sa Universal Studio of Singapore. And so, may good news po ako sa inyo mga friends. Kasi right now, hiring kami for more financial advisors, assistant unit managers, and unit managers here in Life UK. So, ang good thing po nito, hindi mo kailangan mag-resign sa trabaho. No? So, you can do this part-time as long as meron kayong 2 to 3 hours per day. So, pwedeng-pwede nyo na siyang gawin. So, part-time, and of course, sabi ko nga, ito yung part-time job, pero kaya niyang magbigay ng pang full-time na income. Sa perks of being financial advisor is that flexible yung time. Diba? So, wala kang boss na magpapaalaman mo pag aalis ka, mag-holiday ka, mag-travel ka. Kasi nga, hawak mo yung oras mo. Ayan. And by the way, itong travel na to ay isa rin to sa sponsorship ng company namin, ProLife UK. And this time, kasama ko ang aking husband. Ayan. Natitingin ka naman. Ayan. Okay, medyo mahihain siya. Kaya okay lang yan. So, yan. So, if you are interested, just let me know. Ayan. So, don't worry po. I will guide you. I will help you. I will support you every step of the way. See you!